In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export and import spaces in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to back up a Confluence space or migrate it to another Confluence site. Start by opening the Confluence space you want to export. Click Space Settings, then go to Content Tools or General depending on your Confluence version. Select Export Space to open the export options. Choose the export format that matches your needs. If you're moving the space to another Confluence instance, select XML Export as it preserves your pages, attachments, and space structure. If you only need a readable copy, you can export as PDF, HTML, or Word, depending on the available options. Click Export and wait while Confluence generates the file. Once it's ready, download the exported file and save it in a secure location. To import the space into another Confluence site, sign in with administrator permissions. Open Settings, go to Data Management or Backup and Restore, and select Import Spaces. Upload the XML export file you downloaded earlier, then click Import. Depending on the size of the space and the number of attachments, the import may take several minutes. Once it's complete, the imported space will appear in your Confluence site, ready to use. That's how to export and import spaces in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.